Whoosh, eleke pepe.
I don't know, honey. I just can't decide.
Man, I wish someone could help us with this vacation plan.
Are you tired of the same old boring island vacation? Are you looking for a new and exciting vacation experience? Then you need to come to Haiti. Located at the heart of the Caribbean, Haiti offers its visitors magnificent white powdery beaches, a warm climate, and breathtaking beauty. Every day, we strive to make your trip a pleasant and safe one. For instance, in addition to earning frequent flyer miles, you'll also receive a complimentary Island Carve CD every time you travel to Haiti. If you're stuck in the country during a coup d'etat, we'll refund 50% of your trip. That's our pledge to you. But wait, there's more. For a limited time only, travelers will get a special treat. Wyclef Jean will personally greet you at the airport, drive you to your hotel, and tuck you into bed. How does that sound? This message is brought to you by Haiti's Tourism Board.